Kung feeling mo laging galit sa'yo yung algorithm, this video will be your wake-up call kasi baka hindi naman algorithm ang mali. Baka may mali lang dyan mismo sa ads mo. So in this video, meron tayong tatlong pag-uusapan. Number 1 is yung offer and messaging. Think of your ad like an invitation to a party. Kahit gaano kaganda yung venue or yung platform, kung hindi clear kung para kanino yung party, anong meron, walang darating dun sa invitation mo. You need to clarify over cleverness. Don't try to be witty. Your message should say exactly what you're offering para dun sa mga target audience mo. Next thing, position your offer as a solution. Most advertisers talk about the features, not transformations or kung ano yung magiging benefit ng product or services na inaalok nila. Always ask, ano yung pwedeng maging benefit nito kapag kinuha to or inabail ng mga audience ko? Number 2, your creative and funnel flow. Example ganito, isipin mo na may billboard ka sa EDSA. Maganda ang design. Pero kung wala siyang malinaw na CTA or a call to action or mali yung address ng restaurant mo, kung restaurant yung yung nasa billboard, sayang lang din yung advertising budget mo para maglagay ng billboard sa EDSA. Walang klaro or malinaw na flow and creative strategy. Yung creative mo kailangan visual, meron siyang visual hook para mapa-stop or makuha mo yung interest ng mga taong pupunta doon or makakakita ng billboard mo sa EDSA. This is your first impression. Make it count. Use relatable visual, scroll stopping text, and match it with the vibe of your market. So next thing is funnel must match intent. Don't send people to a homepage. Lead them to a clear, distraction-free page that solves one thing. And guess what? Dun mo sila ililid ngayon sa next step. Kasi pag pinapunta mo sila sa isang website na sobrang daming mga kailangang i-click or mga button, mahihirapan sila. So, mako-confuse sila ano yung i-click nila or saan sila pupunta. Importante po yung flow, okay? Yung sales process. So, don't blame the algorithm or FB ads. It's just doing its job. Showing what works based on the data. Tinutulungan ka talaga ng Facebook. Anong gagawin mo? Number 1, fix your messaging, your creative, and funnel. That's where the magic happens. Ads are not magic fills that amplify what's already working. So, if something is broken at merong problema dun sa Facebook ads mo, ayusin mo muna yon bago ka mag-ads ulit. Ngayon, if nakatulong itong short video na to, just give it a like and comment fix kung ready ka nang ayusin ang strategy mo. May mga malulupit pa akong ibabahagi sa iyo at i-share dun sa aking mga next video. For now, that's it. This is Coach Jay and see you on the next one.